Hey my friends, come with me and let's make beetroot fufu. Yes, you heard me right. Look at how beautiful it looks. So what I did was I got one big beetroot. You can get like two or more depending on the quantity of fufu you want to make. But this time I just want to make fufu for one person. So I shaved it and washed it, and then I went ahead to blend it. You can also juice it. Okay, so whichever method you want to use will also give you the required result. But the whole idea is to get the juice out and then use the fiber, as you can see here. So what I did now was I put 1 cup of boiling water, then I put the chaff in it. So what we're looking for is that bright red color, and we don't want to throw away this fiber because the body still needs it. So I now put 1 cup of my plantain flour. You can use any of your favorite fufu, but in this video I use plantain fufu. So I started turning. I went ahead to turn my fufu. Yeah, just go ahead and do what you know how to do best, and make sure there are no lumps and it is up to the consistency that you want. So that's what I was doing here. So I turned and make sure there were no lumps. I added water when it is needed, and I continued as you can see me doing here. Just go ahead and do your thing. Okay, so as soon as I was done and I was happy with the consistency, then voila, I served my fufu. And you know that beetroot contains a lot of nitrates, which is very, very beneficial to the body, and also a lot of fiber, which your gut needs, for good bowel movement. So I served my fufu with my favorite soup, which is egusi soup. So go ahead and enjoy with any of your favorite soups, and voila. And guess what? I did not forget the juice. Remember from beginning? Yes. So it was now my beetroot fufu with my beetroot juice, and that is it. Make your food your medicine. And I went ahead to enjoy. Yeah, I enjoyed. So no waste. When you're juicing your beetroot, don't throw away the fiber. Whether you're using a juicer or you're using a blender method, whichever way, the outcome is most important. But don't throw away the fiber, because your intestines, your gut needs those fiber. And that's what I did here. I used the fiber to make fufu. Everything is going inside the body. Nothing is to be wasted. If you enjoyed this video, follow me. Click the like button, share this video, save it, use it to bless somebody, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ngozi Atiti Vlogs, and for more healthy food tips. Okay, thank you, and let me I want to hear from you. Use the comment section. Okay, bye bye.